It's really common to need two parts of your work to look the same, and it would be a pain if we had to repeat all the formatting commands again and again. Fortunately, we don't have to, because Excel and all the Office applications have Format Painter, which enables you to copy the formatting. It means I can copy the formatting of this cell to another. It's called Format Painter because the format is like a coating of paint on a cell that makes it look the way it does. And the operation is like dipping your brush in one format and brushing it across another place to get it to look the same. The Format Painter command is on the Home ribbon here, but it's quicker to use the mini toolbar by right-clicking. The first step is to highlight the original, right-click, and click the Format Painter icon. The mouse then changes shape to a brush, showing that we've dipped it into the format and can now paint it across the other cells by dragging across them. And that's finished. Let me show you again, but with an extra trick. This time I'm going to double click the Format Painter command. I get the brush to paint in the usual way, but it stays on after use, so I can paint across other cells until all the ones I want look the same. To turn it off, I just press Escape on the keyboard, or click the Format Painter again. Using Format Painter, you can be sure of consistent formatting. Select the original, click or double click, and select the region you want to look the same. As you can see, it even works when the formatting varies.